PiNetwork has made a significant leap in the cryptocurrency world by establishing a contract on the Ethereum network. This development marks a major milestone for PiNetwork, now supporting the basic functions of an ERC20 token, including token transfers and balance checks for PiCoin. The contract sets a stable value of $314,159 for PiCoin, opening a new chapter in the network's history. PiNetwork integrates with Ethereum. PiNetwork has expanded its reach by integrating a contract on the Ethereum blockchain, one of the most prominent and advanced platforms in the crypto space. This contract enables PiCoin to operate as an ERC20 token, facilitating smoother token transfers and real-time balance checks. This move not only strengthens PiNetwork's position in the market, but also simplifies user interactions with PiCoin within the extensive Ethereum ecosystem. ERC20 token functions and their impact. By adopting the ERC20 standard, PiCoin can now leverage various features available on the Ethereum network. Basic functions, such as token transfers, allow users to send PiCoin to other wallets with ease. Additionally, the ability to check PiCoin balances directly enhances transparency and accountability in transactions. This means that each PiCoin transaction will be clearly recorded and traceable, providing users and investors with added confidence. One of the most notable aspects of this update is the establishment of a stable value of $314,159 for PiCoin. This value not only provides anticipated price stability, but also creates a solid foundation for further development and applications of the token. This valuation underscores PiNetwork's commitment to maintaining economic stability and providing users with confidence in the long-term value and potential of PiCoin. What this means for the future of PiNetwork. The integration of the ERC20 contract and the establishment of a stable value of $314,159 represent strategic moves that demonstrate PiNetwork's maturation as a cryptocurrency platform. With these new functionalities, PiCoin can be more easily integrated into various applications and services within the Ethereum ecosystem. This opens up new opportunities for using PiCoin in everyday transactions, investments, and blockchain applications. PiNetwork's launch of the ERC20 contract on the Ethereum network and the setting of a stable value of $314,159 are pivotal developments that will impact the future of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. With updated basic functions and a solid value foundation, PiNetwork is further cementing its position as a key player in the digital world. Stay tuned as PiNetwork continues to make its mark in cryptocurrency history. The PiNetwork has garnered significant attention recently due to claims about a potential valuation of $314,159 per PiCoin, based on a community-driven concept called the Global Consensus Value, GCV. This figure is inspired by the mathematical constant Pi 3.14159 and has been supported by a segment of the community as they barter goods and services within the Pi ecosystem. Key points. 1. ERC20. Token and Ethereum integration. There is no verified information about PiNetwork transitioning to Ethereum as an ERC20 token. The network remains independent as it approaches its open mainnet launch. 2. GCV and market realities. The GCV is largely symbolic and aspirational, reflecting the community's optimism rather than real-world economics. For Pi to achieve the proposed $314,159 per coin valuation, the market cap would need to exceed 6 quadrillion, an amount far beyond the global economy's capacity. The actual value of Pi will likely be determined by supply and demand once it becomes tradable on exchanges. 3. Transition to open mainnet. The open mainnet launch is expected to bring Pi closer to real-world adoption. Its eventual value will depend on market dynamics, not the GCV. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.